Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia, and I'm out here in Medford, New York, and I was driving down one of the streets by a recycling yard, and I never really noticed these cars. And guys, I want you to check this out. Bunch of old classic cars back here. Old Chevy, old Dodge, old Comet right here. Old pickup, old Trans Am and a Chrysler, more Riv, Lincoln convertible, Riviera. Old Cadillac, Buick. It's old Oldsmobile. Old Buick Skylark Special and Caddy, like a 54 Caddy. It's like this old Chrysler convertible back there. Pretty awesome. Too bad there's no 55 Chevys here. Check out what's back there. Something small back there. That was a Monty. Nose of a Monty. What's it called? It's like a Monte Carlo with the, oh, it's smushed. Look like a Monte Carlo convertible. I'm like, what? That's just a Monte that's smushed. They smushed the roof down. Another 61 Caddy there. How about the fins? Pretty cool. Well guys, no Tri-5 Chevys, but I looked. Please leave some comments down below. I love your comments. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Have a great day.